this forgiving, learning to forgive. I thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. My name is Halyna. I come from Zaporizhia. From at the beginning of the war, I had a very severe trauma, and this method that I would like to share with you, it helped me very much. My whole life, I had a lot of traumas. For example, when I was 33 years old, the medicine, the official medicine told me that I should be an invalid, and I was searching for the means of helping myself, and I realized that some spiritual laws can help me to be healthy again. To be able to forgive, a lot of spiritual techniques say that it is important to forgive, and when we have when we pray, we also know that it is important to pray and to forgive, and it is very difficult to forgive when it is a severe trauma. And for me, it was very difficult to understand how to forgive when it is very, very difficult to do it. The Eastern medicine is telling us that a person is each human being is not only the body, but also has the soul and aura, and also has vibrations. And love is the highest vibration that there is that exists in the world, and on the other hand, there is the fear. We can see the aura that is surrounding us. We can see the meridians and the energy flowing into us. And the energy isn't flowing again when we experience fear or anger or some other extreme energies. And then we get ill. We are all connected with one another. That's why there are the cosmic laws that can help us. One of the laws is the law of karma, the karma of the whole humanity, of the folk, of the family, or the personal trauma. I would suggest that it is important to work with our own karma, with personal karma at the moment. surely now that the war is going on, it is the karma of the whole humanity that is involved in it. But every person who is involved in it also has his or her own fears or emotions, and it's important to deal with those feelings and emotions. When we work with our own consciousness, our own personal consciousness, we can get out of our perception of the world. We can't get out of the world where we are living, but we can change our attitude towards what's going on. We can, and that can help. One more law helping here is the law of the mirror. The universe is sending back everything that we sent to it. How can peace come back if we don't feel peace inside of us? What I don't like outside of me, this law of mirror can help us to understand that what is going on outside might be that I sent it to the universe, maybe not now, maybe it was a lot of years ago or a lot of lives ago, and now it's coming back. And I can change it because it is my personal karma. I can work with it. And surely it will need a lot of time to work on it. The karma of the whole folk and of humanity will also change if we change ourselves, our own karma. And I would like to have a look on a little example on the method that I developed. If it is the law of karma or the law of mirror, what I can see outside of me is something that lives inside of me. And then I say, what I see now is something that lives inside of me. For example, such an example, a child has his toys laying everywhere in the room. And I'm offended. I'm telling the child over and over again, what's going on? I don't like it. You need to put everything in order. And why am I nervous? What do I see in my child? Maybe his or her laziness or egoism, or that the child isn't respectful enough because I'm bringing everything in the order and the child not. And then it is like that I'm offended with myself because I experience the offense, and the offense is living inside of me. And that is the law of mirror, that the child is showing me something that lives inside of me. And this can help me to love absolutely, to love no matter whether the child is very accurate and keeps everything in order or not. And I tell the child, oh, I'm not cross at you any longer. Thank you for giving me this lesson. I was offended with you for so many times, and that's why it's happening over and over again, that you need to show me something, my own anger or other feelings. And I wanted to ask you to apologize me because it's something that I'm also causing. And then I need to ask my own body for forgiveness and to thank my own body because I'm thankful to my body because it has all those energies, unpleasant energies within myself. And I ask for forgiveness my body because it has those energies inside of it due to me, these unpleasant energies. And then I say, I pray to God, please forgive me. Where have I done like this? And then I'm thinking, oh, in which situations did I behave like that? Maybe I wasn't accurate enough in my words, and just like my child is throwing toys everywhere, I was throwing my words. And then I remember such a situation, and I can remember where I did like that to other people. So this is the method that I developed for myself.